Hello everybody, welcome back to the new video. So in this lesson we're going to talk about the quadrilaterals. So first, what does mean the quadrilaterals? Any figures that has four sides is called quadrilaterals. So these are the types of the quadrilaterals. If you look at these tables, so these are the types of the quadrilaterals: parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezoid. All these figures that has four sides. The first one is the parallelogram. This is the shapes of this figure is the parallelogram. The shapes is like this. The opposite sides are equal. If you look at the properties of the parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Congruent means equal. So these properties are very important. Maybe it may come in this one in the exam by the multiple choice. So, or let's say the second one is a rectangle. This shape is a rectangle. The opposite sides are equal. It's like a parallelogram. The opposite sides are equal, and it has four right angles. The only difference between rectangle and the parallelogram is what? The right angles. So look at the definition. The parallelogram with four right angles, it's what? It's a rectangle. Okay? Rectangle is like a parallelogram. A parallelogram with four right angles, it's called rectangle. The rhombus, it's like a parallelogram, but all sides are equal. You need to know this definition. You need to memorize it. Okay? So square, all sides are equal, and it has four right angle is easy. It's like a rectangle. Rectangle, it has four right angle, but the only difference between square and rectangle, square all sides are equal, but rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Okay? So let's solve some questions. And there is a note. If a polygon has five sides, then it's a pentagon. The figure that has five sides, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is pentagon. Why? Because it has five sides, right? It's called pentagon. Any figure that has five sides is pentagon. Okay, so this question says give the most exact name for each figures. Let's say this one is a trapezoid because exactly it has only one parallel lines. This one, it's a parallel with this one. The other two lines, they will intersect each other. So the name of this one is trapezoid. This is rhombus. This one is square. All sides are equal. This line means this side is this line, the one lines, I mean that we have in each side, it means all sides are equal. And for right angle, it's gonna be square. If the opposite sides of a quadrilaterals are parallel, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay? So if a parallelogram has four right angles, then it's what? We say that this is a rectangle, parallelogram. The double lines are equal, the one lines are equal, so the opposite sides are equal. This parallelogram, if we have four right angle, so it's going to be rectangle. Okay, if rectangle has four right angle, we know this is a rectangle. This shape is a rectangle, the double lines are equal. So this is a rectangle. If all sides are equal, it's gonna be square, so it is square. So here is two types of the question in this lesson. First one, give the most exact for each name of the figures. This is square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram. This is just quadrilaterals because this one, none of them the types of the quadrilateral. It's not a square, it's not a trapezoid. Why it's not a trapezoid? This side is intersecting with this one, and the other side, if we extended this line with that one, again they are intersecting. Trapezoid, it has a parallel side. No sides are parallel each other, so it's just quadrilateral. This is trapezoid. Okay, so complete the statement giving the most exact name for each figures. If a parallelogram has four equal sides, then it is a rhombus. Maybe this question it might come in this one. I mean the filling in the blanks by the multiple choice. Okay. So if a polygon has five sides, then it's a pentagon because we say that five sides. It means pens. We can say in Kurdish we can say pens. It's like pentagon, right? Okay. So this one is about quadrilaterals. The first thing, memorize the properties. If you know the properties, you can easily to answer this question to fill in the blanks. And you need to name the each types of the quadrilaterals, the figures. This square, rhombus, that's it.